Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna open up the Sephora VIB sale box. I thought about doing this box with my mega haul because I have a mega haul to do soon, but it's just something like really special about the Sephora VIB sale. It only happens twice a year. It's like kind of a big deal that I wanted to give it its own videos. So I might regret this later if I end up getting way too many videos piled up, which seems to happen to me, but whatever, it's gonna get its own video.
It was not fine.
The VIB sale happens twice a year and it's exclusive to, I believe, Sephora VIB members. It's free to sign up. And then they send you a discount based on your rank. I am Rouge. I buy way too much at Sephora. So that means you get to shop early and you get 20% off. So I got everything at 20%. My strategy for the VIB sale is to buy the things that are expensive and never go on sale. Let's start with the Olaplex gift set. Olaplex is something that I'm pretty sure you could only get in salons, or maybe not even only get in salons, maybe only hairdressers could get it. And now it is available to all of us at Sephora. I just started using, which one? Number 6 Bond Smoother, and I do like it. That was in a mega haul, probably like 2 or 3 mega hauls ago, but it took me a while to start using it. I liked it so much that I decided to get the little holiday set so I could try them all. I'm pretty sure these are not full size, although Olaplex sizes are pretty small. This is $60, the value of what's inside, because holiday sets you get a little bit of a discount. That's another trick. I always buy the holiday sets when I'm doing the VIB sale as well, because this is an $84 retail value for $60, plus then I got 20% off, so I got $12 off of that as well. Obviously, I loved number 6 so much, so now I have number 3, 4, and 5 in my collection as well. And Olaplex is cruelty-free, vegan, and made in California. The next item I use every single night, and that is my Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. This stuff is amazing. Your makeup will melt right off, and it just makes my skin feel so good afterwards. The oil doesn't affect my oily skin, making me too oily, and I can always trust the ingredients in the Tatcha brand. It's also a cruelty-free brand. I got the last one in the last VIB sale, and I'm assuming that's about 6 months ago because the where I am in the bottle is pretty close to where I was when I bought that one. So it's about a quarter of the way left, so I've used about 3/4, but I do use this every single night, 2 pumps, to take off my makeup. And even if I'm not wearing makeup, I do think oil cleansing is really good, especially for oily skin, to help me balance my oil. Even though I still have oily skin now, there's a significant improvement from starting to use this every single night. The best part about Tatcha is they don't use, let me look it up, but I know it's synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, and parabens, but also doesn't have phthalates, sulfate detergents, DEA or TEA or urea. This is by far my favorite skincare brand. I am obsessed. If I could afford the entire line, I would have the entire line. And the cleansing oil retails for $48. So on that one, I got $9.60 discount. The next item is my bougiest foundation, my most expensive foundation. It's $77, so I do not get it often, but it's Kogendo and it's their Aqua foundation. It literally feels amazing. I normally don't choose hydrating foundations, but this one is just honestly the best. Even with oily skin, it really works, and it feels so light. It feels so light on the skin, but it still gives decent coverage. Obviously, there's not much to cover on my hand, but I just wanted to show how kind of liquidy and light the foundation is. It feels absolutely amazing. I cannot afford it all the time, but when I can, it is totally worth the money. And when I can get it for 20% off, you bet that's what I'm gonna do. So this was $77. That means that I got it for $15.40 off of this product. You can see the color match on my hand. You can't even really tell that I put foundation on it anymore. It's on this half right here, but it's pretty close right there to my skin color. And I got mine in the shade 1, 2, 3. It's always really easy for me to remember because I just have to count 1, 2, 3. This is a luminous finish, And like I said, I normally don't gravitate towards that, but with this one, it's absolutely fine and it hides imperfections so well. The other thing I love about this brand is fragrance-free, paraben-free, no artificial colors, and no petroleum or mineral oil. Those are things that I love to avoid when it's gonna be on my face all day. And it's in so much of our makeup that it's really hard to not have petroleum. So anytime a brand is petroleum free, that's something that I really love. This product is also made in Japan. Apparently I love all things made in Japan. That's no surprise to me. I love Japan, and it's also cruelty free. The next item I got, I wouldn't say that it's super pricey, but probably for what it is a little bit pricey. It's $32 and it is my favorite setting powder ever. And I've tried everything. The only one that, I mean, they get tied for first and second. It's very hard to choose between the two. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r. And then I also like Stellar Haze. You can get them both at Sephora. I think the other one is a little bit less expensive, but I did get the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and the stuff is literally amazing. If you have oily skin, you have to try this. I got it this time in the banana powder. You get so much product too. This is full. So maybe for the $32, it's totally worth it because the other setting powders that I get are in much smaller containers. Then you have this little extra guy. This product is made in Italy. It's also a cruelty-free brand and it's so lightweight. It feels so great. It's literally like having a filter on your face. That's why they call it Pro Filt'r. It feels like I have an Instagram filter on my face when I'm wearing it. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has fragrance, and it's not super strong or anything like that, but it's definitely scented. It's not my preference to have fragrance in pretty much anything that I have on my face long term, but there aren't many products that I consider comparable to this, so I deal with it for this particular product. If they had a fragrance-free version, I would be in love. So at $32, 20% off is $6.40 off of that product. This next product is also something that I pretty much buy every time they have a sale. It was in my last haul too when I did the Sephora VIB sale, the last one. It's from You to the People, and it's their Superfood cleanser. It has kale, green tea, spinach, and vitamins. They put that all above the name, and it comes in a glass bottle, which I love. It's 100% vegan, which I also love. Be careful, don't put this in your bathroom or anywhere that is easy for you to like reach in the shower and drop it, because this is glass, but I really love when my skincare is in glass, so I appreciate that. This is made in California. It's cold pressed. It's also vegan and cruelty free. It's free of all the things I hate: parabens, phthalates, mineral oil. You're gonna hear that a lot because a lot of these items are all mineral oil free. Also says, let's see, no silicones, no artificial colors, no PEGs, and no sulfates. So normally I don't look for those, but free of more things is always good for me. It's 8 ounces. Like I said, it lasts me a while. It's $36, so that means it's $7.20 off if you have 20% off in the sale. So my next product, I'm considering returning because I've never purchased anything from McGrath before, ever. I didn't do my homework. I didn't do my research. I was kind of in a hurry. I just wanted to get things in my cart, and it was between this palette or the Natasha Denona's new like Techno Chrome palette. And I was like, I already have Natasha Denona. I should try a McGrath thing because I never have, so I can't talk about it on my channel. So it went into cart. I quickly decided between the two. I picked McGrath for the reasons that I've already mentioned. And then before I do this video, I always double check in case something's cruelty-free status has changed, because it's literally always evolving. So if I bought something a month ago and it was cruelty-free at the time, it can not be cruelty-free now because maybe they start selling in China or something like that. For example, I think in July or August, maybe August, First Aid Beauty, it started selling in China. All year I've been buying First Aid Beauty, and even weeks before that announcement, I had still bought some of their products. I ended up announcing it on this channel, but that kind of stuff happens. So I always look everything up again. I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. And this time I dug deep into, you know, as many websites as I could see if they're cruelty-free or not, so I can confirm, yes, they're definitely cruelty-free. McGrath Labs is not a cruelty-free brand. So I have this palette. I can technically still return it, but this is my issue with returning makeup palettes. Sephora will trash this. It'll be wasted because they legally can't, like they can't resell this if I've touched it. and they don't know if I've opened it, they don't know if I've used it. They have a great return policy, but all of that gets dumped. So I'm trying to decide if I should return it or not. I don't know what I should do. It's also my mistake, not the company's mistake. I purchased this and I just thought that I did enough research, and then I found out that I didn't. So for me, I don't know. That's not fair for me to take that sale away from Sephora. Then they have to count this as a loss because they do have to trash it. It's a hard decision. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm not even gonna open it to show you guys until I decide. Let me know in the comments, what would you do? Would you keep it or would you return it? I hate to use anything that isn't cruelty free on my face, but I also hate to contribute to the extreme waste we have of returning items, and those items just literally like going in an incinerator or sitting in our landfills and all of that. It is an expensive palette at $78, very expensive, but not as expensive as her over $100 palettes, which is why I thought it was a perfect time to use my 20% off. That also gives me $15.60 off of this product. I truly don't know what to do about it. I really don't. So let me know in the comments what your opinion is. I don't know if that'll color my opinion, but at least it'll be good to hear other perspectives and thoughts that maybe I'm not even thinking about as well. The last thing I got, because my birthday was in October, is a birthday gift. And the birthday gift that I selected is from Hourglass. I'm pretty sure that I got this as a birthday gift. Yep, it says because it's your birthday on the top. And it's just a little set. I've never tried either of these products, and I do know Hourglass is a cruelty-free brand. So it's a sample size Veil Mineral Primer. This is an oil-free primer with SPF 15. And then their Veil Translucent Setting Powder, also a mini, super cute. I love miniature size anything. So I'm very, very happy about my birthday gift as well. I think there was only 2 options you could choose from, and I don't remember why I chose this one because I have no idea what the other option was. But if you know, you can put that in the comments down below too. So I paid for 6 items, got the birthday gift for free. I got $66 off. So that tells you what my before price was, $330. That's a lot. Getting 66 off of that though is amazing. I do like to get a good mixture too. I have some hair care, I have some skincare, I have a little bit of makeup too. So I like to get a little mixture of everything as well in these sales. If you shopped the sale, let me know what your favorite item was. If you didn't, let me know what your favorite of my items were. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!